Shadow Cruiser floor plan is amazing, especially for a couple that just wants to go camping. You got electric stabilizers, power tongue jack, outside kitchen, solar, backup camera prep, big power awning. At the end of the day, it's all about convenience. You don't want to be cranking things down. If you're retired, you want to be retired, not working to set up camp. And this is the ideal floor plan and ideal travel trailer for that. You get a big U-shaped dinette slide, walk around queen bed that gives you some privacy where you can close it off, wardrobe on each side, plenty of clothing storage, also under the bed as well. The bedroom actually has some surprise storage as well. And what great floor plan does not have that big of a pantry? You also get a propane electric refrigerator, which is perfect for dry camping. In this case, it is a 8 cubic foot. As you can tell, the kitchen has a ton of storage and good cooking space. It's almost a chef's kitchen in a small travel trailer. So again, small lightweight travel trailer, tons of storage, great for a couple, and in the top right hand corner, you're going to see another great couple floor plan.